Let's be honest, seniors, the beauty industry has done a great job convincing us that youthful skin comes from pricey creams, endless serums, or even painful procedures. But what if I told you that one of the most effective anti-aging secrets for mature skin over 60 is something you already own? It's not fancy. It's not new. Yet, when used correctly, it can do more for wrinkles and sagging skin than many products that cost a fortune. Yes, I'm talking about Vaseline, the simple jar most of us grew up with. Dermatologists often call it a skin barrier's best friend, and for seniors, it can be a complete game changer. Vaseline helps lock in moisture, preserve collagen naturally, and create that soft, plump glow your skin might have lost over the years. Today, Dr. No Pill is walking you through 10 dermatologist-approved Vaseline hacks that can truly transform aging skin, whether you're 50, 60, or 80. These are simple, affordable, and perfect for everyday use. If you love natural skincare tips that help tighten skin and fight wrinkles, like this video and stay tuned. We share real solutions every week here on No Pill Zone. Hack number 1, the overnight softening treatment. If you've ever woken up, looked in a mirror, and thought, why does my skin look older overnight? You're not alone. As we age, our skin naturally loses moisture and elasticity. The barrier that keeps water inside becomes weaker, leaving us with that dry, crepey look. But here's where Vaseline comes in like your nighttime superhero. Many think it just sits on top of the skin, but dermatologists explain that it actually creates a breathable seal that traps the hydration your skin already has. That means you're protecting your own moisture, and that's what keeps collagen production steady. Here's how to do it right. Wash your face gently with warm water to open your pores. Pat lightly, don't dry completely. Leaving your skin slightly damp makes all the difference. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline over the areas that need the most care, under your eyes, around your mouth, across your forehead, and down your neck. As you sleep, your skin enters repair mode. Cells renew, collagen builds naturally, and Vaseline acts as a barrier that prevents overnight moisture loss. The result by morning? A soft, cushioned glow that looks like you just had a facial, without the expensive creams. If you're over 60, this simple nighttime habit can become your new anti-aging ritual. It helps tighten sagging skin, soften wrinkles, and restore that youthful bounce. Keep watching, because next we're talking about one of the most overlooked areas of aging, your neck, and how Vaseline can help it look years younger. Hack number 2, the neck lifting trick for seniors over 60. Now let's talk about one of the first areas that gives away your age, the neck. For seniors over 60, the neck is constantly moving. Every time you talk, smile, eat, or even glance down at your phone. These small daily motions stretch and crease the skin again and again. And since the neck doesn't have as much collagen support as the face, it begins to sag and wrinkle much faster. But here's the good news. This is where Vaseline shines like a hidden gem. Here's how to use it the dermatologist-approved way. Warm a small amount of Vaseline between your palms until it turns silky. Massage it upward on your neck and jawline, never downward. Always lift your hands, as if you're training your skin to defy gravity. That simple upward massage does 2 powerful things. It boosts circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. It helps support collagen naturally, which can tighten and firm over time. If you're a senior over 60, this nightly routine is worth gold. Neck firming creams can cost over $80, but they rarely do what deep hydration and gentle lifting can. Vaseline locks in moisture, restores elasticity, and helps smooth out fine lines that come from years of sun and motion. Do this every night before bed, and in a few weeks, you'll see your skin feeling firmer and looking smoother. Those horizontal lines begin to fade, that crepey texture softens, and your neck takes on a fresh, lifted look, all from one humble jar. Keep watching because the next hack focuses on another area that gives away your age even faster than your neck, your hands. Hack number 3, the overnight hand rejuvenator. Let's be honest, your hands tell the story of your life. They've held, lifted, washed, worked, cared, and loved for decades. But while your face might get all the attention, your hands, especially for seniors over 60, are often the most revealing. The skin here has very little natural oil and fat underneath, so it dries quickly and becomes thin, wrinkled, and lined. Add in sun exposure, constant washing, and cleaning products, and you get that dry, crepey look that can make your hands appear older than you feel. But with a little Vaseline and a simple bedtime ritual, you can reverse years of neglect. Take a generous amount of Vaseline and warm it between your palms. Massage slowly into your hands, knuckles, cuticles, and especially the backs. Slide on soft cotton gloves right after. Here's why it works. Those gloves trap your body heat, letting the Vaseline sink deeper to hydrate, soften, and plump your skin overnight. By morning, your hands feel silky smooth, more elastic, and visibly refreshed, like you just had a luxury hand spa. Even better, this trick helps fade sunspots and uneven tone over time. For seniors over 60, it's one of the simplest anti-aging treatments you can do. No dermatologist visit, no expensive creams, just consistent care. If you're enjoying these easy hacks that help tighten skin and fight wrinkles naturally, don't forget to like this video. It really helps more seniors find us here at No Pill Zone. Keep watching, because the next Vaseline trick will surprise you even more. Hack number 4, the under-eye rejuvenation trick for seniors over 60. Let's move to one of the first places where time leaves its mark, the under-eye area. Even if you drink enough water and use the best creams, those fine lines and crow's feet can deepen faster than anywhere else on your face. That's because the skin under your eyes is extremely thin, almost like tissue paper, and it has very few oil glands. Over the years, every smile, squint, and laugh adds up, leaving behind tiny wrinkles that can make seniors over 60 look more tired than they feel. But here's the gentle, dermatologist-approved secret. You don't need a $200 eye cream. You just need Vaseline, used the right way. Here's how to do it. Wash your face and leave the under-eye area slightly damp. Take a tiny bit of Vaseline, about the size of a grain of rice. Using your ring finger, tap it softly from the inner corner outward. No rubbing, no tugging, just a gentle touch. What happens next is subtle but powerful. Vaseline forms a thin, invisible barrier that traps in moisture all night long. While you sleep, your skin switches into repair mode, building collagen naturally, renewing cells, and restoring elasticity. The Vaseline gives your under-eye area the perfect environment to do that work. When you wake up, the skin feels smoother and plumper. Over time, those fine lines start to soften, and your eyes look brighter and more rested. For seniors over 60, this is one of the simplest anti-aging tricks you can do before bed. It hydrates deeply, reduces dryness, and helps tighten skin under the eyes gently. No harsh ingredients, just pure protection. And remember, a thin layer is all you need. This isn't about slathering, it's about sealing. If you're finding value in these tips for glowing skin and fewer wrinkles, take a second to like this video. It helps more seniors discover No Pill Zone's natural beauty secrets. Hack number 5, the smile line softener. Now let's talk about those smile lines, the little creases around your mouth that start as laughter and stay as reminders of time. For seniors over 60, this area becomes one of the first to show sagging skin and fine wrinkles because it's constantly moving when you talk, eat, or express emotion. The skin here loses collagen and elasticity faster, and when it's dry, those lines get deeper and stay longer. Here's the fix. No expensive filler or cream needed. After cleansing your face, leave it slightly damp. Take a small dab of Vaseline and gently massage it into your smile lines. Use small, upward circular motions for 30 seconds to a minute. Hack number 6, the dewy skin glow trick for seniors over 60. You know that soft, healthy glow that makes skin look alive? The kind of natural radiance that doesn't need makeup? As we age, that glow can fade. For seniors over 60, slower moisture retention often leaves the skin looking dull, flat, or tired, even after a good night's sleep. But don't worry, you can bring that glow back naturally, and all you need is a tiny bit of Vaseline. Here's what to do. Take a pea-sized amount of Vaseline. Mix it with your favorite moisturizer or apply it directly. Tap it gently onto your cheekbones, temples, the bridge of your nose, and your chin. the natural, light-catching points of your face. Instantly, you'll see that soft, hydrated sheen, not greasy, but luminous and fresh. That's because Vaseline locks in moisture and gives your skin's surface a smoother texture that reflects light beautifully. This gentle trick works for every skin type and tone, whether you're managing fine lines, dry patches, or sagging skin. It's like a real-life, soft-focus filter for seniors over 60. Dr. No Pill Pro Tip. Use this on special days, brunch, family events, or anytime you want to feel your best. It's a little confidence boost that whispers, "I still got it." If you're enjoying these dermatologist-inspired anti-aging secrets, make sure to like this video. It helps more seniors discover simple ways to tighten skin and restore collagen naturally. Keep watching, because this next hack protects your collagen and brings back firmness where it counts most. Hack number 7, the collagen-locking method. By the time we reach our 60s, our natural collagen levels have dropped dramatically. That's why the skin feels thinner, less bouncy, and more prone to wrinkles. Now, while Vaseline can't create collagen, it can protect the collagen you still have. It works like a seal, locking in hydration and reducing moisture loss, which helps prevent collagen breakdown. Here's a bonus you'll love. Before bed, swipe a tiny bit of Vaseline over your lashes and brows. It conditions them, keeps them soft, and hydrates the delicate skin around your eyes. That area is one of the first to wrinkle, so protecting it helps you look more refreshed and awake. Dermatologists often recommend this trick for women over 60 who can't tolerate strong retinol creams. It's simple, soothing, and completely fragrance-free. Hack number 8, fading age spots naturally. Age spots, those little brown marks on your face or hands, are part of the journey, but you can soften their appearance. Mix a small bit of Vaseline with a drop or 2 of lemon juice. Apply it to dark spots at night and rinse in the morning. The vitamin C in lemon helps brighten the skin, while Vaseline protects it from dryness. Always use this at night and wear sunscreen during the day. Over time, this can help even out your tone and make your skin look more uniform and youthful. Hack number 9, the overnight barrier repair, slugging for seniors. If your skin ever feels rough, flaky, or irritated, this hack is your reset button. After cleansing, apply a generous layer of Vaseline and leave it overnight. This deeply hydrates and soothes your skin barrier. By morning, your face will feel soft, calm, and moisturized. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and within a few days, you'll see smoother, less dry skin. Within 2 weeks, fine lines will begin to soften. By 4 to 6 weeks, your skin will feel firmer and more elastic. Proof that consistency beats complexity. Hack number 10, the simplicity principle. At No Pill Zone, we always remind seniors over 60, your skin doesn't need 20 products. It needs consistent care. Vaseline is one ingredient that supports anti-aging, tightens skin, and helps preserve collagen naturally. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tell us in the comments, which Vaseline hack are you trying first? Because when it comes to glowing, youthful skin, sometimes the simplest habits create the most powerful results.